How to accept money on Zelle. First, open your banking app. Open a mobile banking app for the bank where you want to receive the money and sign in. Step 2. Find Zelle. Look for Zelle, send money with Zelle, or a similar option in your bank's app. Step 3. Enroll with Zelle. If you haven't used Zelle before, follow the enrollment prompts. You'll generally need to provide your email address or US phone number that you want people to use when sending you money. Step 4. Give the sender your enrollment information. Give the person sending you the money the same email address or US mobile phone number that you connected with Zelle. And then step 5. Wait for the payment. Once the sender sends the money, it goes directly to your enrolled bank account. Zelle says transactions between enrolled users typically occurs within minutes. And then check your bank account. Open your bank account or transaction history and confirm the Zelle payment has arrived. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.